I used to have a boss, a schedule, a salary that hit the same amount every 2 weeks. No more, no less. That was 3 years ago. Last month, 15 machines paid me more than that salary ever did. Different amounts, different machines, different locations. Today, I'm showing you every single one, exactly what each machine earns, what it costs to start, and the one lesson each one taught me the hard way. No salary comes with a lesson attached. Machines do. Every machine on this list taught me something my job never did. How money actually moves when you're not the one moving it. Here are all 15. Straight breakdown, real numbers, no fluff. 1. Automated engraving machine. Placed inside a busy shopping mall kiosk. Customers walk up, choose a design, pay, collect their engraved item in minutes. Monthly income, $900 to $1,400. Machine cost, $8,000 to $15,000. Lesson learned, the design library matters more than the machine. Customers come back for new designs, not new hardware. 2. Automated smoothie vending machine. Fresh smoothies, no staff. The machine blends, seals, and dispenses in under 60 seconds. Placed in a gym with 400 active members. Monthly net, $700 to $1,100. Lesson learned, negotiate a revenue share deal with the gym, not a flat placement fee. When their membership grows, your income grows with it. 3. Automated key cutting machine. These kiosks sit inside supermarkets and hardware stores. Customer scans their key, machine cuts a copy in 2 minutes, payment automatic. Monthly placement income plus per cut revenue, $500 to $900. Machine cost, $10,000 to $18,000. Lesson learned, location contract length is everything. Secure a minimum 3-year agreement before installing. Short contracts kill the ROI before it starts. 4. Automated passport photo machine. Post offices, government service centers, libraries. Monthly net per machine, $400 to $800. Machine cost, $5,000 to $10,000. Lesson learned, place near form filling services, immigration offices, driving license centers. Customers need the photo the same day they need the document. Proximity is the entire business model. 5. Automated fresh pasta machine. Supermarkets in Italy pioneered this. It is spreading fast everywhere else. Fresh pasta made and dispensed on demand, no preservatives, no packaging waste. Monthly net in a premium supermarket, $800 to $1,500. Lesson learned, partner with a local flour supplier for restocking. It cuts input costs by 30% and builds a relationship that protects your placement long term. 6. Automated phone case printing machine. Customer selects a design, inserts their phone model, machine prints and cuts a custom case in 4 minutes. Monthly net in a busy mall, $600 to $1,200. Machine cost, $12,000 to $20,000. Lesson learned, trending designs drive 80% of revenue. Update the design library weekly, not monthly. Stale designs kill foot traffic fast. 7. Automated honey vending machine. Farmers markets, health food stores, organic supermarkets. Customers fill their own jars with raw local honey, by weight, by the gram. Monthly net in a health food store, $300 to $700. Lesson learned, source from one local beekeeper and put their name on the machine. Local and named honey outsells anonymous honey 3 to 1. The story sells the product. 8. Automated fresh juice vending machine. Hotels, corporate offices, hospital cafeterias. Whole oranges drop in. Fresh juice comes out. No concentrate. No staff. Monthly net in a 4-star hotel lobby, $700 to $1,300. Lesson learned, hotels pay premium placement fees when the machine matches their brand aesthetic. Appearance matters as much as function in luxury environments. 9. Automated plant germination machine. Garden centers and home improvement stores. Customers select a seed tray, herbs, vegetables, flowers, already germinated and ready to plant. Machine dispenses. Customer walks out with a living product. Monthly net, $400 to $900. Spoilage is the main cost to manage. Budget 20% of revenue for it from day one. Lesson learned, stock what grows fast and sells fast. Basil and cherry tomatoes outsell everything else by a wide margin. Start with what moves. 10. Automated candle vending machine. Spas, yoga studios, boutique hotels. Automated candle machines sell premium scented candles at $15 to $35 per unit. Margins on candles run 65 to 75%. Monthly net in a busy spa, $500 to $1,000. Lesson learned, scent sampling drives purchase decisions. Install a scent tester strip dispenser next to the machine, free to use. Conversion rate doubles. 11. Automated insect repellent machine. Campsites, Outdoor festivals. National park entrances. Customers need repellent the moment they arrive and realize they forgot it. Automated machines sell sprays, wristbands, and patches at $5 to $15 per item. Monthly net in peak season at a busy campsite, $600 to $1,200. Lesson learned, seasonal income is fine if you plan for it. Stack 2 or 3 seasonal machines whose peak seasons don't overlap. Income stays consistent year-round. 12. Automated sock vending machine. Airports, hotels, gyms, forgotten socks, wet socks, the wrong socks entirely. Travelers buy without hesitation at $6 to $12 per pack. Monthly net in an airport terminal, $400 to $800. Machine cost, $3,000 to $6,000. Lesson learned, stock basics only. White, black, gray. Specialty socks sit in the machine. Basic socks sell daily. 13. Automated sunglasses vending machine. Beach resorts, ski slopes, outdoor music festivals. Automated sunglasses machines sell fashion frames at $12 to $30 per pair. Margin per unit, 60 to 70%. Monthly net at a beach resort in season, $700 to $1,400. Lesson learned, display is everything. Machines with mirror panels and good lighting outsell standard machines by 40%. Invest in the display before the inventory. 14. Automated cooking oil refill machine. Zero-waste supermarkets and organic food stores. Customers bring their own bottles, fill with premium cold-pressed oils, olive, coconut, avocado, pay by the litre. Monthly net in a premium health food store, $500 to $1,000. Lesson learned, partner with the store on a co-branded label. Our store, your machine creates loyalty that protects your placement from competitors. 15. Automated gift wrapping machine. Shopping malls, department stores. During holiday season, this machine runs at capacity. Customers insert their box, select wrapping style, machine wraps and ribbons automatically in 90 seconds. Charge, $4 to $8 per wrap. Peak season monthly net, $1,500 to $3,000. Off-season, $300 to $600. Lesson learned, negotiate a percentage of revenue deal during peak season, not a flat fee. Holiday volume is where the real money is made. Here is last month, exact. Engraving machine, $1,100. Smoothie machine, $820. Fresh juice machine, $940. Phone case printer, $780. Candle machine, $640. Everything else combined, $960. Total deposited, $5,240. That number took 22 months to reach. Month 1 with my first machine, $340. My old salary was fixed. These machines are not. Bad month on 1, 3 others cover it. Strong season on 2, the whole portfolio jumps. That unpredictability used to scare me. Now it's the part I trust most. If you're starting today, pick the machine with the lowest entry cost that solves a problem people face every single day. Start there. Learn the model, then scale. Which machine are you looking at first? Tell me in the comments. Next week, how I negotiated my very first mall placement with no experience and no track record. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you then.